Hey guys, if you are looking for the perfect gift, then I would highly recommend the Decopom Mandala coaster set. What I love about these coasters is that they come with 2 holders and a set of 12. So that's perfect if you're hosting a party or if you're giving it as a hostess gift to someone. It's also great if you want to use it throughout your home in different rooms. What I also love about them is that they have these beautiful mandala signs and each one is different and unique. It's gonna bring that boho style right into your home. The coaster itself is made from premium sandstone. It's very water absorbent, so you're not gonna have to worry about those water rings or marks on your furniture. The back of the coaster is made from eco-friendly cork, and that is gonna make sure that your furniture does not get scratched up. And did I mention that they also come in an adorable gift box? The Decopom Mandala coaster set is the perfect gift for any occasion.